Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Drum Care Kit is probably one of the most essential investments any drummer can make to preserve the longevity and pristine condition of their cherished instruments, ensuring that every beat resonates with clarity and power for years to come. Number 5. Meinl Percussion Cajon. Introducing the Meinl Percussion Cajon, crafted with care in Europe. This versatile instrument offers a unique blend of snare and bass tones, all within a compact and durable design. You can learn to play this instrument in minutes, no prior experience needed. Simply sit on it and tap to create satisfying bass and snare sounds, building your confidence with every beat. This is a fun musical option for various settings, from acoustic shows and jamming with friends to teaching rhythm or accompanying worship teams. It's perfect for those who want to make music without endless practice. Constructed from 100% Baltic birch, the same material used in high-end drum sets, this instrument ensures a superior sound. You won't find any cheap, glued-on laminates here. It features two fixed sets of steel snare wires that add crisp, snappy tones, making it incredibly versatile. This allows for a wide range of musical expression. A rear sound port strengthens the overall tone and projection of the instrument. This port also serves as an ideal spot for microphone placement, capturing its full sound. Silicone feet provide stability, protect surfaces, and eliminate unwanted vibrations for crystal clear sound. It's safe to use on any floor type, ensuring a clean audio experience. What we like. This cajon is crafted in Europe with premium Baltic birch, offering a durable build and authentic snare tones. If you're looking for a reliable instrument with a great sound for various settings, from acoustic gigs to casual jams, this is an excellent choice. Its European craftsmanship ensures quality and longevity for all skill levels. What people say. This product is great for cleaning drums. It works really well on percussion instruments. The design is very user-friendly. Number 4. MusicNomad Premium Drum Detailer and Polish. Introducing our premium drum detailer and polish. It effortlessly cleans, shines, and protects your drums, removing unwanted fingerprints, dust, and spots. This solution is perfect for more than just drum shells. It's also great for chrome hardware, rubber E-pads, thrones, and much more. Experience a stunning high-gloss shine thanks to its advanced gloss enhancers. It brings out the best in your instrument's finish. Worry no more about damaging your gear. It is safe for all types of finishes, including gloss, matte, and metal surfaces. We are proud to offer a product that is made with quality and care right here in the USA. What we like. This premium detailer is designed to keep your drums looking pristine. It cleans, shines, and protects all finishes, including matte and metal. If you want to easily remove fingerprints and dust while adding a high-gloss shine, this is the product for you. It's perfect for maintaining the appearance of your entire drum kit. What people say. This kit has everything you need to keep your drums looking and sounding their best. The polish is excellent for removing fingerprints and smudges, leaving a streak-free shine. The microfiber cloths are soft and absorbent, perfect for gentle cleaning without scratching. Number 3. GECKO Travel Cajon Zebra Wood Percussion Instrument. Introducing the GECKO Travel Cajon, a beautifully crafted percussion instrument designed for musicians on the go. Its unique zebra wood construction offers a visually stunning appearance and exceptional sound quality. Made from high-quality cloud pattern wood, this cajon boasts a natural brown color with a captivating texture. You'll appreciate its aesthetic appeal from the very first glance. Designed with a compact size, it's incredibly easy to transport and use. Anyone, regardless of skill level or age, can sit down and create music with it. Experience versatile sound effects with its internal guitar strings. The distinct tonal areas allow for easy transitions between treble, mid-range, and bass, making it fun for both adults and children. This portable cajon comes with a backpack, making it perfect for any setting. Play at home, in the park, at parties, or even while camping, your music can go wherever you do. It's an ideal gift for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. Surprise your loved ones with a unique and engaging musical experience. What we like. This travel cajon features internal guitar strings for a unique sound and a beautiful zebra wood finish. Its compact size and included backpack make it incredibly easy to take anywhere. If you're a beginner, a child, or just someone who loves to play music on the go, this cajon is ideal for spontaneous jam sessions in parks, at parties, or even at the beach. What people say. This kit has everything you need to keep your drums looking and sounding their best. The polishes and cleaners are gentle yet effective, removing fingerprints and smudges without damaging the finish. The included cloths are soft and non-abrasive, perfect for buffing and polishing. Number 2. MusicNomad Premium Cymbal Cleaner. Restore the brilliant shine to your cymbals with our premium cleaner. This powerful formula is designed to bring back that original luster. Our acid-free, pro-strength formula safely cleans and polishes without harsh chemicals. It contains a microfine polishing powder for a gentle yet effective clean. Beyond cleaning, it leaves a protective layer that helps reduce oxidation. Keep your cymbals looking their best for longer. Enjoy a great scent while you work, thanks to our proprietary formulation. Plus, it's proudly made right here in the USA. This cleaner is specifically designed for brilliant finishes. Please note it is not intended for use on matte finishes. What we like. This cymbal cleaner is specifically formulated to bring back the brilliant shine to your cymbals. Its acid-free, pro-strength formula safely removes oxidation without harsh chemicals. If you have brilliant finished cymbals that have lost their luster and you want to restore them to their former glory, this cleaner will provide a protective layer against future tarnish. What people say. This product is great for cleaning drums. It works well on percussion instruments. The design is very user-friendly. Number 1. Cat Percussion KTMP1 Electronic Drum Pad. Meet the compact and affordable electronic drum and percussion instrument from Cat Percussion. It's designed to bring powerful sound to your fingertips. Experience dynamic playing with 4 velocity-sensitive pads. They respond to your touch, allowing for expressive performances. Explore a vast sonic palette with 50 high-quality drum and percussion sounds. You'll find the perfect tone for any musical style. Easily expand your capabilities with 2 additional inputs. Connect a hi-hat controller pedal and a bass drum trigger to enhance your playing experience. Connect effortlessly to your computer or other MIDI devices. Its USB MIDI connectivity makes integration simple and versatile. What we like. This electronic drum pad offers a compact and affordable way to explore a wide range of sounds. With 4 velocity-sensitive pads and 50 high-quality drum and percussion sounds, it's versatile for practice or performance. If you're looking for an entry-level electronic percussion instrument with MIDI capabilities for recording or expanding your setup, this module is a great starting point. What people say. This kit is a great value for the price. It has everything you need to keep your drums looking and sounding their best. The cloths are soft and absorbent, and the polish is easy to apply. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.